Welcome back. Daniel Parsons here on 19th of June 2025, and I'm a Prife International Independent Distributor since January 2022. And tonight's training is a quick overview of how to go in and redeem a free iTeraCare Classic blower, the very popular red blower. As once you build up your loyalty points, part of the income plan allows you to redeem free product, and you're able to do what you want. If you want to sell the device, you can do that. So it's always a good idea to refresh your browser because of these CAPTCHAs. So I'm just going to put the team member and let me put their password. And Prife International is making some big news. They are going to be acquiring a company, and they're going to be getting listed on the New York NASDAQ over-the-market stock exchange. So some big news. Oh, and the Pro device, they are going to be coming out with a Pro Plus. Here's our team member. And so you just want to go down here to the navigate. Once you're in your back office, on the bottom menu, on the second from one over from home towards your right is navigate. Click on navigate, and then just go down here to loyalty redemption. Okay, select the region of the world. This team member lives in Scotland, so obviously we're going to use United Kingdom. Add one iTeraCare Classic, and then we're going to use the loyalty redemption point balance. So select your delivery message. So your payment 506, so they'll pull that out of the 581 she's got in her loyalty redemption point balance. Delivery method will be courier, and then this will just be all her personal information, and obviously I'm not going to do that. And then there'll be a shipping fee tied to that. So once you get all of this in here, just put the security password for the account and hit submit, and it will give you what's known as a DO, or a delivery order number. So that's it. That's pretty simple. This is part of the pay plan in Prife International. And so that's the end of this training. My phone number is area code 360-383-0265, Pacific Time Zone weekdays. And you can also get me on Telegram. And my handle on Telegram is t.me and then / just my name, like it says there, Daniel Parsons, no space. So that's pretty simple. You can contact me from anywhere in the world to do the Prife International business. It's a global business. Bye for now.